Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily convert PDFs to Microsoft Word documents using Google Drive. This method does not require any additional software, and all you need is a Google account and then access to Google Drive. One thing I do want to mention is while this is free, you might lose some of the PDF formatting and the images that are in the PDF, but you will retain all of the text. So as you can see here, I have a PDF and it is a sample resume. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up Google Drive by going to drive.google.com. And if you get lost, check the description. I'll have a write-up down there that you can follow, as well as all of the links that I talk about. So once you get to Google Drive, go to New, select New, and then go to File Upload. Now we're just gonna find the PDF that we wanna convert. I have sample resume right here. As you can see, it's uploading in the bottom corner. And once it's complete, it'll show in your files in Google Drive. Now all we need to do to convert it to a Word document is simply right-click the document, go to Open With, and then Google Docs. So now it's going to convert that PDF into a Google Doc, which is a word processing software from Google. And as you can see here, we now have all of the text and some of the formatting from the PDF that I uploaded. The amount of loss of formatting will depend on the PDF itself, but as you can see, it's really not that bad, and I could replicate this resume using all of the text I have retained from this conversion. Now the next step is simply to download it as a Word document so that I can open it up in Microsoft Word. And to do that, we need to go to File, then go down to Download As, and select Microsoft Word. Now we just name the file. And now as you can see, it's saved on my computer. I'm just going to open it up. And as you can see, it's opening up in Microsoft Word. And there we go. We now have our converted PDF open up in Microsoft Word. So that's how you convert a PDF to a Microsoft Word document using Google Drive. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Drive tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.